Ready to start learning injections? Here's a 4-step guide to get you started. The first step is to start with theory, understanding the basics of injections and anatomy. Start with one or two areas of the face. This is the most crucial step. Learn the anatomical variations, watch different techniques, assessment, and complications. This prepares you for the next step, which is attending the workshop so we can ask the right questions at the workshop. Step 2 is attending supervised workshop and ask the right questions to clarify your doubts. Step 3 is often forgotten and neglected. After the workshop, one should come back and study the anatomy again to reinforce what has been learned during the workshop. Step 4 is often neglected again. Practice makes perfect. It is advisable to observe or assist, and better still, do at least 5 supervised injections until one gains confidence. This is to reach a minimum safe requirement with practice. Then move on to learning another area. This is to remember attending 1 or 2 day workshop is not enough for safety reasons.
Please like, subscribe, and comment.